started getting this check engine oil level light. And I checked the level and everything was fine. And it just kept coming on. And I did some research and found out that it's the oil pressure switch. And in this video, I will show you how to go about changing the oil pressure switch. Really, the only tool you need for this job is this 15/16 wrench just to unscrew the oil pressure switch. Of course, you'll need a jack. You'll need to jack up your car and a lug nut wrench, and you'll have to remove the tire. But other than that, this should do the trick. Now what you'll want to do to make this replacement is, of course, take off the right front tire. Whenever you jack your car up, you want to make sure that you put some blocks underneath it. I've also put the tire just as a safety precaution. You don't want this falling on you and damaging you or the vehicle. So always use safety. You can see this is, you got switches all over here, but this is the one that you're going to be replacing. It's this one right over here, and I've already replaced it, but I'll show you how to go about doing that. But that's where you'll find it. It's a really simple fix, and hopefully that solves the problem. I'll let you know. And you can see what you do is you just compress this, just push it in, and then you can slip it off. There you go. And it's hopefully it's not on too hard, but you just need to push and get it loosened up. Once you loosen it up, then you can just go ahead and take it out by hand. We'll go ahead and unscrew that. We'll just go ahead and install the new one. So then you just get your new one and go ahead and screw it in. Kind of get that out of the way. Then you want to get your wrench, and then just go ahead and get it nice and snug, as always. Sometimes it's hard to get a good angle on it. We'll just get it nice and snug. Over tighten it. And that should be good. The last thing you need to do is just go ahead and put the clip back on. And the problem is you may not have it the same way that you had it before. And there it is, so I'll just go ahead and snap it on. So I went out driving, and so far so good. Looks like the oil level light is not going on anymore. Thanks so much for watching Big Al Repairs, and hopefully you subscribe.